Hi, this is a demonstration of elevator safety system project. So this is an enhanced safety system that helps people that are trapped in elevators in case of power outages or power cuts. So in this system, it is to be mounted inside an elevator. So whenever the elevator gets trapped or it's stuck between somewhere, and there's a person trapped in it, the system detects firstly if there is a person trapped in the elevator or not, and if the person is there, it checks if the person is screaming or is doing any motion, and based on that it also checks the carbon dioxide level in the elevator. So if any of these factors, if the person is screaming or the carbon dioxide level is high enough, or the person is doing various motions, so based on these factors it detects if the person is panicking inside the elevator and automatically sends an SMS message to provide help for that particular person. So for this purpose we use an GSM modem for sending the SMS messages. This is connected to the microcontroller, which is in turn interfaced with LCD display, the motion sensor, temperature sensor, carbon dioxide sensor, and this is powered by a 12-volt battery here, as you can see. So let's see now how the system works. We first need to give a call on this particular number or this SIM card which we inserted in the modem. So when we give a missed call here, the system registers our number as the registered number, and whenever a situation arises, it sends the SMS to this particular number from which we will call now. So when you get this system, you can just insert a SIM card in this modem, and you can give a call from any number on this number, and the number from which you call gets registered as the registered number in the system. So now the system has registered the number, and it is now waiting for an SMS, and on successful registration it also sends a message when you give a call on this system that your number has been registered. And also the system sends an SMS if the battery goes below a particular limit, below 60%. So the system also monitors the battery constantly. So now we have to send an SMS message where we have to send the temperature reading. So now this is how we write the SMS. That is, we pass the temperature value along with the carbon dioxide value. Here we have set it 40. So if it goes above 40 degrees Celsius, it will check if there is a person stuck in the elevator, and if there is a person in the elevator, it will check for motion as well as sound and carbon dioxide level, and if any of these factors are found, it will automatically send an SMS for emergency so that the person can be rescued in time. Also it sends SMS about the battery level, as you can see here. If the battery is low, it sends an SMS indicating this. So now, since the temperature is within the set limit, it won't check for motion or the sound or CO2 level, and as you can see, it's currently monitoring the temperature and the battery level only. So as soon as the temperature goes above 40 degrees Celsius that we have set, what the system is going to do, it's going to monitor the motion as well as sound instantly, and also the CO2 level, and if any of these are found, if a motion is found or sound level is found or the CO2 level goes high, it's going to sound the buzzer, and it's going to send all three values to the user on his mobile phone. So let's see how this works. Let's simulate a rise in temperature. So as you can see, as soon as the temperature went above that particular limit, So, and we removed our hand from there, so instantly motion was detected, and it is showing all the values here, and it has also sent an SMS. Also, it is showing the sound level. As I speak, it is going to increase the sound on the display. So through this mic we record the sound level. So this is how the system detects motion, temperature, and CO2. And to bring it back to normal mode, we can press this button. So this is how, as soon as the system detects a person is trapped in the elevator, it automatically sends an SMS message to alert the registered user about the situation by monitoring temperature as well as sound and motion along with CO2. So this is how the system works. Thank you.